Is that the V-Day gift panic I feel setting in? You know what I'm talking about. You're scrolling and scrolling, trying to find that perfect thing for your number one. You don't want a gift that just says, hey, you're a friend. No, you need something that screams, you are literally the best human ever.
And here's the classic struggle, am I right? You have this vision for an amazing gift, but then your wallet is just like, nope. But don't even worry, we've got you covered.
So, what's the solution? It's time to level up your gift game with a little DIY. And listen, this isn't about being cheap. It's about making something with your own two hands that is so full of love and inside jokes, it's a gift that's as totally one of a kind as your friendship is. All right, let's jump into our first section, gifts from the heart. This is for the bestie who loves all the feels, you know? The one who saves every ticket stub and totally cries at cute animal videos. Okay, I am obsessed with this idea because it's so easy but packs such an emotional punch. It's the reasons why jar. Seriously, just find a cute jar. You can even upcycle an old pasta sauce jar. Nobody will know. Then, just write down all your reasons on little slips of colorful paper. Pro tip, a little ribbon or glitter goes a long way to making it look extra special. But what do you actually write on them? Literally anything. Think about your silliest inside jokes, that one time they really had your back, or just something you love about them. You could write things like, because you always know how to make me laugh, or get super specific like this one. For that time you made me laugh so hard I cried. It's those little personal memories that make this gift so good. And hey, the ideas don't stop there. You could whip up a mini scrapbook of all your adventures together. Or how cute is this? Decorate a plain photo frame with candy hearts. You can even grab a plain white mug and some oil-based Sharpies, write an inside joke on it, bake it in the oven, and boom, a totally custom gift. Okay, moving on to section 2, super sweet treats. If your bestie's love language is basically snacks, then you are in the right place. Let's get into some yummy treats you can make yourself. I mean, let's be real. You could get them a boring old box of chocolates from the store, or you could present them with your own DIY masterpiece, epic homemade chocolate bark. One is kind of pricey and generic, the other's made with love and has all their favorite things. The choice is pretty clear, right? And you won't believe how easy this is. You just melt some chocolate, like swirl some milk and white chocolate together to make it look fancy, and then go absolutely crazy with the toppings. M&Ms, sprinkles, crushed up cookies, whatever their favorite candy is. Let it cool, break it into pieces, and you're a genius.
And of course, we can't forget the ultimate V-Day classic, candy-coated strawberries. They look super fancy, but honestly, they are so simple to make. It's a total win.
Another amazing idea? Put together the ultimate movie night basket. It's not just a gift, it's a whole experience. Throw in their favorite movie, popcorn, obviously, some drinks, and just a massive pile of their go-to candy. It's a perfect night in, curated by you. Okay, on to our final section, the ultimate chill kit. This is for the bestie who is always super busy, always doing the most, and just really needs a spa day. So let's talk self-care. What is it really? It's basically the art of chilling out, and it is 100% BFF approved. You can give them a legit spa experience with some DIY bath bombs or a nice salt scrub. And trust me, they seem complicated, but they're way easier to make than you think. And the best part? You can make a big batch and, keep a few for yourself. I won't tell. And here's a little pro tip from the Crown Goat. A lavender hand scrub is an amazing idea. Lavender is super relaxing and it feels so good. It's a total game changer. Want more spa vibes? How about a homemade scented candle in their favorite chill scent or a 2-ingredient lip balm, which is like so easy and so perfect for winter, super thoughtful and useful. Okay, so we've covered a ton of super fun ideas, but let's get real for a second and talk about what this is all truly about. Because the number one most important thing is celebrating your friendship. That's it, that's the whole point. Because here's the secret, the real gift isn't the thing in the box. It's all the thought and the love and the effort you put into making it. That's what they'll remember. A DIY gift is literally like a little piece of your friendship they can hold. So, as you start your DIY project, I want you to think about this. What's the number one reason your best friend is the absolute best? Keep that in your head while you're creating, and I promise your gift will be perfect. Now go have fun with it.